How to fix the issue could not create your account at this time on iPhone or iPad. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your Settings app. Here we go. Now navigate to the option of Airplane Mode. Toggle on for it. Now you can wait for a minimum of 60 seconds and then toggle it off. Likewise, click on the option of Wi-Fi. Then click on the Wi-Fi network you are connected to. Forget this network. Give a fresh restart to your router and rejoin it. Likewise, you can switch your network, head back. If you're using Wi-Fi, switch it to cellular data, and in the case you're using cellular data, switch it to Wi-Fi. Heading towards next solution, scroll down, navigate to the option of General, open this option Date and Time. Make sure you have toggle on for the option of Set Automatically. Then head back, open this option VPN and Device Management. Make sure you are not connected to any VPN. Now I can head back. Click on the option of Software Update. If any updates are available for your device, just update your phone software to its latest version. Then you can head back. Now scroll all the way down. At the end you will see the option of Transfer or Reset iPhone. Click on it. Then click on Reset. Click on Reset All Settings. Now enter your phone's passcode over here and continue with the process. Once you apply all these solutions, your problem will be fixed. Well, this is how you can easily fix could not create your account at this time on iPhone or iPad. This was all for this video. If this video was helpful, smash that like button, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.